Yeah! Welcome back to a certain snack where life is too short to be serious. We are digging back into the vault of Dairy Queen again. What do you mean, sir? Well, I keep going to this mall in Carolina called the Carolina Mall. It's just north of just north of Charlotte. It's in Kannapolis, North Carolina. And what's it got going on, you may wonder? Well, I'll tell you, because you want to know, right? You do? Okay, you do. So, there's this, the menu is just outdated. It's out of place, outdated. It is ancient. It is history. But that's the gem about it. People love it. People just, they come to this Dairy Queen and they enjoy it because you can't, a lot of these you can make yourself. Like, you can tell them, I want this and this and this in your Blizzard. But it's easier just to walk up, say, I want this Blizzard. They ring it up and they got it for you. So we got two more. We got the Midnight Truffle and the Georgia Mud Fudge. So we're going to get through all of the ones that they don't currently have, okay? It's going to be a done deal. So we'll start with Midnight Truffle. As simple as dark chocolate and Midnight Truffles mixed in there. So cocoa truffles. Let's try it. Yeah, you can, just from the base, you can taste the difference from their usual chocolate Blizzard. The truffles are gooey. Melt in your mouth. This one's very simple and creamy and chocolatey. Maybe not chocolatey enough at some points and overly chocolatey at others. But it's very solid. I'm thinking 7.5 here. Oh, my beard got some chocolate. Now, Georgia Mud Fudge is more complicated. This one's got cocoa. It's got hot fudge. It's supposed to have walnuts and supposed to have brownies. So, looks like it's got brownie. I'm not sure it will have walnuts, but I think it does. Wow, okay. I'm thinking it does. Yeah. Now this one's got a lot going on. Chunky, chocolatey, fudgy. Now this one throughout, this is just a bit too chocolatey. But I love the walnuts, what they bring. Joy and satisfaction, without doubt. And it's got cocoa, a little cocoa flakes, for lack of a better term. Yeah, this is good. Outside of it being too chocolatey, I wish the brownie pieces were a little bit more present. But this one's really solid. Interesting that they got rid of it. They could really just bring it back. Change the name of it so people know what it is. Like, do walnut brownie. Make it simple. But I'm going to give it 8.5. So, once again, it was a pleasure. And we'll be back at some point. We're always in Charlotte. We're not always at this Dairy Queen. But I love coming to this mall. I love going to this Dairy Queen. And you know, at some point, we'll be back.